Kwiyarigania asamatem ye class ke grade kya gatano na limo ne grade keri ya kianda mo director Michael Ondabu we skuru yo Orange schools ni gobono hawa bori abaibori baba ya borke wo chinga ke chinyororo ekero bago chaka matemu abo na boigo abaibori tibanya rako babago ikirana ase chiskuru ekero kya matemu ayo arachi go chaka na kogendra
egati ya baibori korwa se skuru eyo nigo bago keire omoroberi yo Cbc na boigo Cbe abwase batebire buna nigo ogosemia aborki wabo chisemi chimbwa chingia na boigo chitalanta ase bago chia kogendera gosoma ekero basoire senior secondary omwaka bwechiribubere 2025 noyo momulikito Caroline Mausa na mange
Omo director bwechi sukuru chio rencho echichikotoka imeye bunge ya South Mugirango asa Marieta Michael Ondabu niga sokire na kubaboli abaiboli babe maiso na kubalenda abarokigo baba chinga kie chiga babeire bago chakeru sentambe.
During this time, for example, we are having exams for the grade 6, we are having grade 9 who are going to remain here to do their exams. The grade 6 are going to graduate to junior secondary, whereby the grade 9 are going to graduate to the senior secondary.
Ago kwana ekero kyo meyegabo ko babekera chiguta baro kiwa bekera sikia grade 2 grade 3 na baigo grade 6 niga basabira baiboli ko babanga baro kiwa baba mapema okoba muiboli tayora chiko bagagwa nchirogo so skuru eyo ekera matemo arache ko bagago chaka.
No any parent who's allowed to give a visit to the school during this time, during the exam time. So we want you to ensure that you have left your child with the necessary materials to use during exam. We did our KCP in the year 2010, whereby we had a population of only 120 learners. And as I speak now, we are having a population of almost 400. That is a great achievement, and we are happy for that. We want to thank God for the far He has taken us. Thank you.
Waigo nigo asegetire omoroberio Cbc abwasa tebire buna nigo omoroberio yogendrete kogendera byaime sukuru imensi yaito ya Kenya abwase bono atebire buna nigo omoroberio yoko baigeria aborokiwe bikoro na bego ko bakonya kumanya ebyegwa byaborokiwa mapema kibara abana bake.
They have given the runners the right content, and I am very sure that as they go to the senior secondary schools, they are going to feature, they are going to go through, they are going to succeed. Our candidates, our grade 9 candidates, we are expecting next year that they will be taken to very, very good competitive schools.
Tumeona watoto wetu wakikuzwa kitalanta, kimasomo, kinidhamu, ni watoto ambao wamekuzwa ambapo tunasema all round children. Kama mzazi ningependa kusema kwamba mfumo wa CBC ama CBE ni mfumo ulio mwema sana, kwa sababu tumepata kuona kwamba mbali na masomo ya darasani wanafunzi wamepata kufanya mengine nje ya darasa. Pia tumeona kwamba katika kushirikiana katika michezo ya drama, muziki na hata michezo ya uwanjani, shule ya Orange imekuwa ikiibuka ushindi hasa katika sub county yetu, hata katika county ya Kisii. Kwa hivyo ningepongeza hata serikali, maana msimu huu na shule yetu imepata kutimiza yote ambayo yanahitajika katika masomo ya CBC.
Ningewaomba tu wasasi wetu mtakapotoka hapa na watoto wetu hawa ambao mmepata wakiwa katika hali nzuri, mweze pia kuweza kuwatunza nyumbani, waweze kufanya masomo ya likizo. Tumeweza kupeana vitabu, muhakikishe kila mtoto ana kitabu chake na aweze kufanya hiyo kasi ya likizo hata tutakaporudi.
Orange has been performing well in academic. They have won trophies in academic, and then in the co-curricular activities, it is well known in music and drama festivals, whereby they have students and learners performing up to the national levels. Thank the manager as we proceed to the next level, ensure that our learners have the required learning materials, they have a good learning environment to make them achieve what is required.
Ginko reporter ya ama ya Soko TV kurwa ebunge ya South Mugirango kaunti ya Kisii Elietaria Nemausa Caroline.